26. Last shot before change. Change court na po. Change court.
Mas malakas ba?
Change court na po. Baroy. 29. Kuya Levy short jumper, 2 points. Panamata Levy Lingwene. Grabe ka. Shoutout sa Blackhawks. Sekreto pa ng Blackhawks. So, 15 seconds to shoot. 3 nga yung 3. Ay, ito rin pala 3. Sayang. 20 seconds to shoot. Sir Pat. Christine by Justin. Maganda, wisduhan yan. Out of bounds, bola na. Team E. Good ball po yan, good ball. 4 minutes and 20. Baroy. Tuwili. Wala pa rin, Ripa by Chano sa ilalim. Wala pa rin, Chano pa rin. Tupasco, take it 3. No good. 2 points na pala yung mag-shoot. Wala pa rin. Ripa by D. Nauna na si Urge. Wow. 15 seconds to shoot. Low. 3. Ivan Magday. 25-9. Dito pala ng mga leading scorers natin sa papawis natin. 15 seconds to shoot. Baroy take it 3 again. Baroy. 25-12. Wala pa rin rebound by Baroy na naman. Baroy. Foul by Ivan Magday. 20 seconds. 20. Sa next round. Next round po, 5 foul. Alam niyo na. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Kayo. 3! Baroy na naman. 15-25. 3 minutes exactly. 15 seconds to shoot. Urge, take it 3. No good. 3 pa by Baroy na naman. 2 minutes 50. Baroy nagmamadali. Baroy, may i-scoop pinapalit to Sir Urge. Ay, Sir Urge. Sir Pat, ang laki niyan. 2 points.
Ang ino mo Steven Adams.
Cruz. 17-25. 2 minutes and 25.
Steven Adams.
15 seconds to shoot. D. Taking 3. No good. 3-5. Baroy. Tubasco. Short jumper. Wala. 3-5 D.
New power, please charge battery.
Ayun na. Narinig na natin. Wala. No good. Last 2 minutes. Ating sa inyo na. 3.
New power, please charge
5-point lead. Ano yan sa'yo?
148.5.
Baroy na naman. Wala. Ripa by Chano. Ang ganda pasa sa ilalim kay Sir Pat. Wow. 17 second shot lang. 1 minute and 22. 25-20. 5-point lead. Sir Pat taking 3. No good. Ripa by D. Di nagmamadali. Di nauna na. No good. Ripa by Sir Pat. Tubasco. Ivan. To Kuya Levy. 2 points. Christian D. 27-20. 55 seconds. Lamang ang Team F. Hila Christian D. 15 second shot clock. 40 second shot clock. Paroy. 40 seconds pala. 5 second shot clock. 2, 1. Good ball. Now na si Ivan. 2 points. Ivan Magda. 29-20. 25 seconds. Shot clock off na po. Chano taking 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by D. 15 seconds. Shot clock off. Grabe Hasen. 9 seconds na lang. 5. 5 seconds. 5 seconds na lang. 5 seconds. Good, good.